Hey everyone, this is Sonia the RV VJ, and today we're going to be installing carbon fiber hood covers, hood hinge covers that go right there. So let's see what we got. So, what you're going to need for the installation, very easy. Some alcohol with a paper towel, and these are the covers. I'm doing a carbon fiber theme for this truck, very subtle yet noticeable, so I'll show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. They are plastic, they're not real carbon fiber, otherwise they'd be like $100, with 3M tape on the back, just like that, and they're going to sit right on there like that. Very simple installation. Just have to clean the hood. Actually, they're not hinges, they're the bumpers for the hinge to hit the windshield, for the hood to hit the windshield. It's just the bumpers. They call them hinge covers, they're not hinge covers. So yeah, we just have to clean those off and undo the tape, and they should stick right on. Really, installation, anyone could do it. So pretty much what you do is you wipe down your hood bumper, because again, it's not a hinge, it just keeps the windshield from hitting the hood and making it break. You wipe this down with alcohol, and then you take these strips off, and then you go on like this. I'll show you what it looks like when they're done. And that's what they look like. Like from the front. Gives it a nice, subtle yet noticeable carbon fiber look. And that's all we have for today. There'll be plenty more installation videos. So make sure you join us for the next one on the Gladiator.